Have you ever connected to a public Wi-Fi and just basically hope for the best? We're talking about airports, restaurants, cafes, anywhere with public Wi-Fi. Most people don't realize how exposed their data is until something happens. And that's exactly why VPNs have become very popular. And today we're checking out CyberGhost VPN. Let's go ahead and break it down. First, what is a VPN? A VPN is a virtual private network that pretty much acts like a layer between you and the internet. Now, instead of showing your real location and your IP address being visible, everything just gets routed through a secure server in a different location. So your data is encrypted, your identity is hidden, and your connection becomes private. And with CyberGhost, that privacy is taken seriously. Your online activity is not tracked, logged, or monitored, so you can just basically browse with a peace of mind. And with CyberGhost, you can unlock geo-restricted content from over 40 different streaming platforms such as Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney, and if you have ever noticed certain shows being missing from your region, that's exactly how people get around that. Now you can just simply switch your location in seconds and be able to unlock an entirely different library from all over the world. Now this is not just for streaming because you can also use it for gaming for certain games that are locked in your region. The CyberGhost also uses the AES-256 encryption, which is a top tier and means that your data is going to be protected even if you are connected to an unsecured network. So if you're connected to a public Wi-Fi, your information is going to be protected from anybody trying to intercept it. Now, another great benefit is the ISP throttling because sometimes your internet provider slows down your speed on purpose depending on what you're doing online. Maybe you're streaming or downloading content, but with a VPN, since they can't see your activity, they can't really slow you down. Now, when it comes to features, CyberGhost has a lot going for it, starting off with the massive global server networks, which means that you've got plenty of options for fast and stable connections, and you can use up to 7 devices connected to the VPN. So that means your phone, your laptop, your tablet, and one of the greatest things is going to be the kill switch, because just in case the VPN goes down, it automatically disconnects the internet so your real IP address is never exposed. It also supports the modern protocols like WireGuard, which gives you a great balance between speed and security. And speaking of speed, the performance is very solid, so whether you're streaming or downloading content, CyberGhost is going to hold up very well. And that means that you can stream with a peace of mind in either HD or 4K without major buffering, especially if you're connected to a server nearby. Now, CyberGhost is not new because they've been around for over 15 years and they've got over 38 million users worldwide and consistently highly rated in platforms like Trustpilot, which gives you a very strong level of credibility. But if you're not sure, they even give you a 45-day money-back guaranteed just so you can try it out with risk-free. So overall, I think CyberGhost is a very well-rounded VPN. It's simple to use, it's reliable, and it's giving you both more privacy and more freedom online. So if you want to get started, make sure that you go to cyberghostvpn.com/dailytested so you can get an 83% off and extra 4 months free from today's sponsor, CyberGhost VPN. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you smash the like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more content. I will see you on the next video.